Yo, what up, family? It's your boy Chart Plug. All right, fam. Um, I know lately I have been, I've been distant from my from my from my Telegram channel. You know what I'm saying? I know that I've been a bit distant. I haven't really been giving you guys the love that you guys deserve. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, is for the Telegram channel, right? For the free one, by the way, for the free one. I'm gonna start, I'm gonna start being more active on it. Reason why is because I feel like I've neglected my people. You know what I'm saying? So and no, and also I feel like I've diverted my I've diverted my attention to the people that to the people that are paying instead of the free one, which is all right though. But I need to give y'all a bit of love. You know what I'm saying? I shouldn't just be pushing you guys to the side. So this week I'm going to post a couple of setups. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try and revive the channel back again. You know what I'm saying? And I apologize for the silence. It's just that it's levels, man. For the people that paid, they need to enjoy the service. You know what I'm saying? So I had to focus or shift my attention to them, but I'll be back to you guys. Don't worry about that. Firstly, let's get to last week's setups and see how they played out. So with DXY, you have it right there. Man, price was around somewhere, I think somewhere around here, and then it started falling on Monday. I was like, I for sure, you know what I'm saying? Price is setting itself up to shoot up. Continued falling down, you know what I'm saying? Looks like it made a double bottom just right here. But anyway, but price didn't play out as expected. Price broke that support, so I need to reanalyze for that. Reanalyze for that. I really thought we're gonna just get some USD bulls, but just didn't happen. I don't know why. And then gonna get to AU to gold. By the way, I thought that gold, we're gonna start falling around somewhere here. You know what I'm saying? I thought we're gonna start falling. It even faked me up. But they gave me a nice bearish candle. I sold and I got stopped out. But anyway, that's how the markets work, man. They will always try and feed you the wrong info. So you try and eat off the wrong info, then it burns you. You know what I'm saying? So I was wrong with this chart. Only I thought it was gonna come and make a lower low, but it never. Instead, it's making higher highs. So screw this chart. You know what I'm saying? Um, and then I think there is UJ. Yeah, same thing around this region here. I was like, no, we may expect, downward momentum going to the bottom right there, but well, it did fall, but it felt like 10, 20 pips, but then it continued going to the upper side. You know what I'm saying? So that did not work out pretty well. You know what I'm saying? Gonna get to Euro USD. All right, and then for Euro USD. For Euro USD, for Euro USD, well, oh yeah, it was the price was somewhere around here, and I was like, once it gets to this green circle dot, I'm gonna start looking for sales. You know what I'm saying? And unfortunately, price broke through when went and did its thing. You know what I'm saying? Went and did its thing, unfortunately. But I had said that once price breaks this region, we can expect we can expect downward movement, but we never got any movement though. You know what I'm saying? We never got any movement. So yeah, it's Chaplet. All right, family. We back to the dollar index. You know what I'm saying? Back to the dollar index. Now let's let's do our analysis, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go back on the weekly. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's see how the monthly. The monthly is still bullish. You know what I'm saying? Could still expect more movement to the top, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how the weekly is. Okay, on the weekly, we had that hammer followed by that nice bearish candle. Excuse me. And then if I plot nicely, I think this region. I think this region is a nice. This is a nice region right here. You know what I'm saying? Um, it's a nice region. Okay. Yes. Daily. Yep. All right, family. Oh, come on, man. Can this load, bro? Okay, for sure. Okay, on the daily. To me, what it looks like is price. You know what I'm saying? Broke through, came to retest this level. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like we have a strong support just where price is right now, right here. So if at all it can break, uh, then I'm going to expect more movement to the downside. But let me just show you what I'm talking about. Do, 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 do. Okay. Oh, it's a mistake. Where's that? Mm, mm. So this looks like a breakout come to retest right here. You know what I'm saying? So if price can break out to the downside, then I may expect downside, coming to here. But if not, then I still expect. But if not, then I'd say more upside. You know what I'm saying? So basically, do you guys see where price is right now? Let me just try and zoom in. All right, you see, price is basically around this region right now. So I'm just waiting for let me say I can only take decisions if price is gonna break, they're not gonna go down, 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 down. You know what I'm saying? Then also again, if price breaks this high right here, then I know we're gonna go to the upside. You know what I'm saying? So once price is still within here, it still shows undecision. I mean indecision between the market. You know what I'm saying? But I expect price to break down to the downside because the downward fall was really 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 strong, and the daily candle looked a bit, closed bearish yesterday. So I may expect really more bears to push it to the ground there. But I'm still watching from the sidelines, like, especially where price is right now. I'm just watching from the sidelines, see what going. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and then before I can make a decision. But yeah, yes, yeah, you guys can see that waiting for the upside or the break to the downside. Now, let's get to Euro USD. Okay, we got Euro USD right here. You know what I'm saying? We got Euro USD. I think let's go to the weekly. All right. Mm, 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 mm. Euro USD looking bullish as hell. Euro USD has been looking bullish as hell. I thought once you broke this, you know what I'm saying, it's time. I thought once we broke this trend line is it's just more bears going to the downside, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna get to I'm just trying to see what are there any patterns that I should watch out for or look out for. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Go into the daily for sure. This is my daily. Is my daily chart. Actually, not. I can remove this chart because this chart I drew it on the weekly. You know what I'm saying, but yeah. So I have this movement. We had this corrective structure right here. So this was a so check this out. Downfall followed by consolidation. Consolidation around here. You see the consolidation, which is a corrective structure, which is a symmetrical triangle followed by that continued downfall. You know what I'm saying? Presto fell and presto fell. Presto fell to the downside. And then now let's see what we can expect for now. You know what I'm saying? Let me just fix my line. If you watch closely, so I wanted to extend my line to try and see if it affects anything here, but actually it doesn't do anything right here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, my bias on this pair is, guys, I see a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. So I'm expecting upward movement. Let me try and show it to you nicely. Those are the shoulders. That's the head. There's also a head and shoulder down here. But anyway, so this is the shoulder, head, shoulder. So I'm just expecting price around here to start shooting up. To be honest, reason why is because we broke the neckline, came to retest. I'm expecting, I don't know, some sort of bullish momentum shooting to the upside. You know what I'm saying? Um, our target can be measured this way. You could just take the price range, get it from the neckline all the way down to the head, get those pips, connect it from the neckline all the way to the top. You know what I'm saying? You can expect maybe if price goes back to the upper side or breaks the neckline, then we're gonna see the 1.19 region, 1.1900 region, or should I say 300 300 pip movement to the upside. That's if we get sort of some bullish signs right here, but I still expect those though. You know what I'm saying? I still hope that we get bullish signs to the top. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we're gonna get to USD JPY. This is UJ right here. You know what I'm saying? USD JPY for sure. Okay, let me draw the weekly candle. What before we start? You know what I'm saying? Okay, wait. Ta-dum, 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 ta-dum. Ta-dum, 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 ta-dum. I don't like this line though. I don't know why. I don't like it. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. We just need to see this better on the daily and the 4 hour. Let's go. On the daily, you know what I'm saying? I see that price broke out broke out this weekly trend line, broke out the week and then came to retest it, you know what I'm saying? Came to retest. So I'm expecting more moves to the upside. More moves to the upside, you know what I'm saying? I'm expecting that because of a weak JPY. Even though I'm not saying the dollar will be strong, but I expect, a weak JPY. But also again, I may think people are starting to buy gold. That will mean that they are that will mean that more JPYs are gonna be bought, which would lead this to the downside. But I'm guessing we'll just figure that out, try and see what may happen because lately correlation hasn't been playing out. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So okay, think it's a 4 hour now. Let's dissect this baby. Okay, this is the 4 hour chart. You know what I'm saying? Let's remove this one. Okay, okay, alright, alright. Wow. Okay, so this looks like we could be getting some longs somewhere around this region. We can expect some longs, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let me just see the retracement. Maybe around this region, but yeah, we'll find out. We'll just watch closely. But I'm expecting maybe price to come and retest somewhere here, going to the top. We'll be going to around the 11200 region. I think the 112, yeah, region, basically the 112 region. That's where I think we'll be going to. This looks like a falling wedge. Broke out, come to retest. Once I get those reversal candles or bullish candles, we may start shooting up. You know what I'm saying? Let's go down to the one I love, and that's gold. When I get to the weekly on gold, I think if I should, let me just show y'all something. Yeah, we got gold, the trend line. You know what I was thinking? What if? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But I was looking at this. This this looks like a low, a high, higher low, same high, higher low. Probably this could be the long term, you know what I'm saying? 30 52. I'm just saying. I'm not saying it is gonna happen, but I'm really, 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 you know, watching this closely because I may expect some more downward movement. I mean upward movement. You know what I'm saying? But also we still need to realize key areas. To be honest, because where price is, that's really, really, really that's really, really a key area. You see where price is right now? That's really a key area. You see, because here, here, and literally where it is right now. Let's see what the daily got in store for us. Mm, the daily doesn't have nothing in store for us. You know what I'm saying? Can't believe we got a nice hammer followed by. Okay. Yeah, upward movement. Friday closure shows very, very, very strong momentum to the upward, to the upside. I believe maybe a fall back 20 pips 30 before continuing up. But I'm still for dollars. I mean for dollar weakness, which would mean this would probably skyrocket all the way up to the sky. You know what I'm saying? But we will watch it closely, try and see how we can dissect it. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So we have this right here. So we have this chart. I remember this area here was the biggest resistance, or I mean, was a strong support. Then once we broke it, it became resistance. You know what I'm saying? But price never retested it. So this could be a retest. It could possibly be a retest. I don't know. I really don't know. Let's check out what our trend line game got us popping. Maybe we know we can get a trend line game. Maybe a retest and continue downward movement. That's what I would assume. Let's see. I want to see something. I want to see if this has fulfilled it. Still have okay. I still expect more upward movement. This looks like it's just a retracement followed by the upward movement. You know what I'm saying? Some upward, maybe a retracement to the to around 1200, 1201 there, 1202. Then we can start shooting back up. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we can start shooting back up to make a higher high. That's what I seriously believe that may. Okay, let's see if we can get a parallel channel. Maybe we can get a little bit of a parallel channel. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Maybe price may come to continue, but we are still gonna we're on an upward movement for now, fam. Don't worry about that. But if the daily candle can close, bearish like a like a serious bearish candle, then I may think twice. But apart from that, but for now, to be honest, for today, I think we may see a retracement for sure. We may see dollar strength for the day, I guess. But we're still gonna longer term view. I'd say dollar weakness. I'll say that. I believe so. All right, let's get on to the news. We back with the news. You know what I'm saying? First thing, as you can see, today we ain't got no news that much. It's a GBP bank holiday. In basically, it's a holiday in the Great British in Great Britain. I'm saying sorry, in Great Britain it's a holiday. Wait, tomorrow. I think I skipped tomorrow. Tomorrow we ain't got anything. No high impact news or some good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Mm, um, what's the Wednesday? You got USD news. A bit crude oil and preliminary GBP ain't it's not much. Thursday we got the New Zealand business confidence. We got AUD private capital expenditure. We got at half two. We got Canadian GDP. Maybe we may see some bit of movement, but yeah, on Friday we ain't got anything. So it's gonna be a news free week. But normally when a week is news free, I know that there's gonna be some crazy ass movement. Trust me, it's gonna be some crazy ass movement. You know what I'm saying? But apart from that, man, it's your boy Chad Plug, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, man. Peace.